like. Got our own style, pink crocodile. We always seem to do it right. We're having a good time. We're here to have fun. We know how to live it up. Wild and young.
Nakausap ko naman sila, hindi talaga sila nagmamadali. Wala yan sa lugar. Maski na walang honeymoon, basta nagmamahalan. Okay. Wala na sermon, tapos na po.
1-2 punch, feel that sugar rush. We bubbling like a soda pop. Going up sky high, living our best life. Dancing to a brand new bop. We're here to have a good time, so better make way. We know how to live it up every day. Come and play, so come with me and move your feet. 'Cause all we need is good company. Me and my homies. Me and all my crew. We just doing what we do. Me and my homies. Feeling like a billion. No, we just can't stop the feeling. It's poppin'. The good times never stop. We just make it pop. It's poppin'. We know how to rock together. It's a brand new bop. It's poppin'.
Angeline, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Alan na iyong pagkamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Yes, Father.
Alan, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Angeline na iyong pagkamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
You watch the season unfold. It's on stage. Before the goals and river have been replaced, another song so season fades away. You have stolen my heart. You have stolen my heart.
So, sino mag-aakala na ang dating sinabi ko hanggang pangarap ko lang ay makakasama kong nakatayo ngayon dito sa harap ng altar? Na ang asaran, mauuwi pala sa kasalan. Kasagutan sa dasal, yan ang pakiramdam mula nang dumating ka sa buhay ko. Naging mas masaya, naging mas makulit, at higit sa lahat, naging mas makahulugan. Ngayon, nakasama na kita habang buhay, mas naiintindihan ko na kung ano yung sagot dun sa tanong ko. Isang paalala na sa aking pagsahod ay sahod niya na. Na ako'y magmamasahe ng walang humpay. Isang paalala na lagi akong magbibitbit ng tumbler mo. Isang paalala na nasa tamang tao na, kaya laging mali.
And from the barrel flow, we are in celebration. One good stretch before hibernation. Our dreams are shared, and we all will sleep well, sleep well.
God really blessed me with you, and for that I'm so grateful. You love me, for who I was, and for who I am, and even for who I can become. You gave me the kind of love I didn't know I deserved, and I didn't know was possible. Di mo lang ako minahal, pero minahal mo din yung mga mahal ko.
Nakita ko na ang isang pangako na ikay aking pagsisilbihan, isang pangakong ikay aking tatratuhin ng tama, at higit sa lahat, isang desisyon na mawala man ang kilig, ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin ko araw-araw.
Watch you spin around in your highest heels. You are the best one of the best ones. We all look like
I can't wait for our future together. A life full of love, laughter, and endless massages. I love you.
Halik na. Yan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ba't kayo tumatawa? 8, 9, 10.